In the kitchen with Tasha. Kitchen with Tasha. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two deep conditioning masks, one for high porosity and one for low porosity, that will get our hair together. Okay, that's why it's important to know your hair porosity. It is definitely a game changer. So grab your bowls and the ingredients that I listed down below and let's get started. Quick porosity reminder: low porosity, difficulty obtaining moisture. Medium porosity, cuticles are loose, allowing moisture to be easily absorbed and retained. And high porosity, the hair easily absorbs moisture but easily loses the moisture as well. Now that we know what our hair needs, let's get into the DIY recipe. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, which hydrates the hair and penetrates easily. You'll need 1 tablespoon of coconut water, which adds lightweight hydration and nutrients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, a lightweight oil that won't weigh your hair down, and 1 tablespoon of honey, a natural humectant that draws moisture into the hair. First up, a hydrating and lightweight mask for low porosity hair. Here's what you'll need. Mix it all together until you get a smooth gel-like consistency. Apply the mask to freshly washed, damp hair. Focus on mid-lift to ends. Use a steamer or cover your hair with a shower cap and a warm towel to open up the cuticle to let the moisture seep in. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse it out with lukewarm water. Now for the high porosity mask. Here's a rich, nourishing mask that will help you lock in the moisture you'll need. 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. 1 ripe avocado packed with healthy fats and vitamins to nourish the hair. 2 tablespoons of shea butter, which seals in moisture and coats the hair. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a heavy oil that provides hydration and reduces frizz. And 1 tablespoon of yogurt, which adds protein to repair and strengthen the hair. Mix everything until it's smooth with no lumps. Apply the mask generously to your hair, focusing on the ends where the damage is most common. Cover with a cap and leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes. The shea butter and the olive oil will seal in all of the goodness, where the avocado and the yogurt strengthens your ends. Mix everything until it's smooth with no lumps. Apply the mask generously to your hair, focusing on the ends where damage is most common. Cover with a shower cap and leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes. The shea butter and olive oil will seal in all of the goodness, while the avocado and yogurt will strengthen your strands. Both masks are super easy to make and cost efficient. The results speak for themselves. Once you rinse your hair out, you will feel soft, hydrated, and refreshed hair. But please, please, please do not forget to lock in the moisture with a leave-in conditioner or your favorite styling product. And that's it, guys. 2 DIY deep conditioning hair masks tailored to your hair porosity. Whether you're high or low, your hair still needs some tender loving care. So in the comments below, please let me know which one you're going to try, the high or the low, and let me know how that works out for you. Please, please, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in the next video.